So today, this is our playpen, guys. Hi guys, so today, this is our playpen, guys. Guys, look, this is our... Guys, look at Tassie. Tasha's playing. Tassie's playing, guys. Hey Tassie, Tassie's playing. Guys, this is our new playset, guys. Look at the toys. Guys, this is our new playset. Tasha is crying. This is our Tasha's unicorn, guys. Bye guys. See you next time to showing Tasha's playpen. Bye guys. Bye. See you next time. Bye bye.